Okay, guys, this is our lesson from Tuesday, September 15th. You need to follow these instructions in the yellow box for setting up the tab for today in your eBinder. All right, here's some reminders. Yesterday, you should have completed the scavenger hunt where we found the essential skill number 1. You're going to upload that under the synchronous folder for Monday. It's due on Friday. PSAT signups, I need you to get that to me as soon as possible. Escalera deadline is the 28th. The ACT practice, if you provide proof that you did that, I'll drop 2 of your lowest grades. You just need to email it to me. The JFK speech assignment from last week is due Wednesday, and we are having binder checks next Wednesday and Friday. Okay, so what I want you to do, this is the list activity, the scavenger hunt we did yesterday. I want you to compare what you put for your bullet points to what I put here. All right, so today we're going to look at specifically how can I use essential skill number 1 to improve my writing skills. So just a refresher, remember skill number 1 is analyzing a prompt or academic task. Specifically, what does the prompt want you to do and think about when you're writing? All right, I posted the link in the synchronous folder for Tuesday, and I want you to make sure that you fill that out. Also, you need to add this document to your eBinder in the writing section for the page for today. This is essential skill number 1, instruction categories for prompts. So you're going to download this from Schoology and then upload to your eBinder page. All right, so some instruction categories. These are ways that we are going to break apart a prompt so we specifically know what we need to talk about in the essay. Okay, so the first is topic words. These tell you the subject or topic that you should be discussing. So what I want you to do is pause this video and read the prompt. And then the topic words are in blue. So if you notice it says read the story, then write an essay in which you discuss the story's theme. So I know in general, I need to be talking about theme in my response. You should only have one topic in a response. All right, next you have qualifying or quantity words. These tell you how many things that you should be talking about. So in this same prompt, it says read the story, write an essay on the theme. So I know the theme is my topic. And then specifically, I'm talking about human nature and how people behave. So those are 2 different things. Those are two things that I should be talking about in my response. Next are characteristic words. These tell you what characteristics of the subject you should discuss. In this case, that would be human nature and how people behave. So again, topic is theme. I'm talking about 2 different things, human nature and then how people behave in challenging situations. And then you have organization or presentation words, and this is basically saying how you need to organize your answer and present your information in your response. Okay, so I've given some examples there out to the right. All right, so in that same prompt, after it says, what does the author say about these 2 things? It says, be sure to include examples and details from the story to support your ideas, and do not merely summarize the story. So that is telling me I need to organize my information using examples and details from the story. All right, the last instruction category are source comments. So these are things that you incorporate into your answer that support support from whatever your source is. So in that case, in this case, the source would be the story, What Happened During the Ice Storm. So you would be incorporating source comments from that source, okay? All right, so we are going to practice picking apart prompts using these categories. So what you're going to do is download this PDF in the Tuesday folder under Synchronous Learning. And let me mouse over to this. So this is the instruction categories practice page. You're going to open it in Kami. And here are the answers for the first example. And you're going to fill in numbers 2 and 3 and then upload this to Schoology.